Big Queen here, signing on the last final day to make changes or enroll in marketplace healthcare. So those that know, that have looked into it, that has received those notices in the mail about plan increases, it's real. It has gotten really real. I'm talking about plan increases that has 5 times, 10 times what last year rates was. So I'm here to tell you how you can be savvy about getting healthcare benefits without downgrading your service, right? We want to keep the same level of service, but we want to keep saying this the same amount or not as much as we are obligated to pay. So it's a really big difference in cost. Catastrophic plans still could be zero to very low amount, but to get a robust plan with feasible copays, emergency room copays, or at least down to 25% of costs, those plans are really costing. So if you are afraid of getting a plan, wait to go see a doctor is $100 or $150. Those type of plans, and you're concerned about hospital costs. Instead of paying an additional $300 to $400 for a plan that can give you those lower copays, you can add in a secondary policy that will pay you directly. These are called hospital indemnity plans. And mpgagents.com, they have the most robust plans available through different carriers that they can find the right match for you. So, again, today is the final day to enroll or make changes to marketplace plans. However, this is not the only time that you can enroll throughout the year. There's special circumstances where you can enroll throughout the year. That's relocation, that's leaving your job, that is no longer qualifying for other subsidies such as Medicaid or pregnant type of Medicaid. You can still apply. Maybe you don't even qualify for a subsidy. So, off market plans, you can enroll in them at any time because guess what? It's not government ran or looked over or under that type of umbrella. So, off market means you got to pay full price for your plan. It means you're pretty much making over $60,000 a year. Maybe you're single. That's an example of people that are paying full price. Maybe your household is making 60,000, but you got dependents, so you may still qualify for a subsidy even if you have a higher income bracket. So don't weed yourself out without actually knowing. However, today is the final day for subsidies. If you're still looking for a plan after today, you can still get any off market plan. Short term, those are available as well. So I got a phone call from a lady that was asking me. Basically, she is leaving her job in April. So she's actually doing planning, right, for retirement. And she wanted to know, does she, looking at, is she have to enroll by today? I'm like, no, you don't. You'll have a reason to enroll when you leave your job in April. So she was asking a comparison. Hi there. She was asking about Cobra. Well, Cobra is the most expensive insurance. If you've ever been on Cobra, you know what I'm talking about. Guess what? I love today's time because in today's time, you don't have to go on Cobra, right? You got options. I love it. I remember a decade ago, people did not have options. Just 6 years ago, people did not have options when it came to retirement. They felt stuck that they had to stay on their job because the job was providing them with health care. Let me tell you, that is slowly transitioning. Healthcare is slowly transitioning to our responsibility to plan accordingly. HSAs, those are going to be more popular. So get used to contributing to things like that. Also, it helps you with your taxes, helps you pay lower into Uncle Sam's pocketbooks, right? So if you have any questions, drop them here below. I'll be happy to answer them for you. If you are seeking help with healthcare plans right now, go to mpgagents.com, put in an inquiry, or you can actually call in as well. So, today is my final day talking about healthcare. I am moving on to talking about more things that involve wealth accumulation, right? Asset protection, all of those things. So, thank you for joining on. If you're on now, go ahead and share this video. Get this out because a lot of people are unaware that, hey, it's me. I'm the one that can enroll. I do not have to walk around without health coverage, and that there's something out there for me. So many women are afraid, right? I mean, afraid. Different things. Fibroids has been a very popular conversation in this healthcare season. Um, a cancer scare has been a very popular conversation amongst women in this season. So, the one thing I do know, when a person has health coverage, they're more open to going to see the doctor versus when they don't. Because the bill, they're scared. They're scared of the bill, they're scared of what it may cost. So, instead of having early prevention or just going to a doctor, they sit it out. Not anymore. Come on. Find out your options, get some coverage, go and do preventive health. And not only that, when you have coverage, a lot of preventive health visits don't even require a copay, and your deductible doesn't even matter. So, if you're looking for options, NPG agents have those options. So, NPG agents of Tallahassee, they're licensed in so many other states, and they can really help you get those things done. Thank you for coming on my lesson. And Shabana Muhammad, thank you so much. Good seeing you. Bye.